Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita. Today we have a great homemade gift idea for you. We're going to make these mulling spices gift mixes. And while you're here, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. We share weekly DIY and renovating videos like this. All right, let's jump in. First of all, I knew I wanted to make these mulling spices. I didn't know what I wanted to put them in, and then I stumbled upon those little ornaments at the Dollar Tree, and I knew they were perfect. So you want to start by, I got a huge bag of oranges and I peeled just the orange part, not the white part, off of the orange, and then I chopped them down. Once I got a bunch of orange peeled, I chopped them down into small pieces like this, and then we spread them out on our trays for the dehydrator. So we have a dehydrator which we used for this project because you want the orange peels to be dried so that the mix of mulling spices is shelf stable. But if you don't have a dehydrator, you could definitely buy already dried orange peels. All right, so next I gathered all my supplies. I got huge bags of whole cloves and allspice on Amazon. And then I, of course, grabbed those ornaments that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. And then I had some disposable tea bags that I got. I grabbed the already dried out orange peel, and then I had some cinnamon sticks. And I also used peppercorn, which is not shown there. So I wanted to get the cinnamon sticks put into smaller pieces. I'm attempting to do this with one hand while I held the camera, but it was a little hard to do. But I used a rolling pin at first to break down the pieces. And then I also, once they were broken down like this, it was pretty easy to snap them into smaller pieces just using my hand since they were in that Ziploc bag. And then another method that I did try later on my next batch was just like a rubber mallet from our workshop. So all those methods work great. Feel free to use one of them or all of them like I did. So you want to start by getting all of the cinnamon sticks broken down. And for the recipe I'm sharing, I'm making 4 cups of mix, which is about 32 servings. And so you need about 35 cinnamon sticks. So it's definitely handy to buy them in bulk like I did, because they can be kind of expensive to buy at the grocery store in the smaller batches. Like I said, for about 4 cups of mix, which is 32 servings, this is exactly what you're going to need. You're going to need 3/4 cup of the dried orange peel, 3/4 cup of allspice berries, which I'm putting in there, 3/4 cup of whole cloves, 1.5 cups of crushed cinnamon sticks, which I mentioned was about 35 cinnamon sticks, and then I also did 1/2 cup of whole black peppercorn, which I just had in my kitchen, and then you mix all that up into just a mixing bowl. And if you want to swap up the recipe ingredients, feel free to. It'd be great to swap in like cardamom or nutmeg or any other type of holiday spice would be a good addition to this. So once you get the mix all mixed up, you can funnel it into whatever you're going to be giving it in. These ornaments were perfect from the Dollar Tree. I put about 1 cup of mix into each ornament, which was perfect. That's about 8 servings, using about 2 tablespoons a serving. So that was good for gifting. It worked out great. I just, you see I'm doing there, I used just a funnel, and some of the larger pieces like the cinnamon stick kind of got stuck. So if that happens, I just kind of shook the funnel until I got it all out of there. And then you can just put the top back on for the fillable ornament, and it looks so pretty in that ornament. If you don't want to use the ornament, here's another idea. I also used these ones because I was shipping some and I didn't want to have to worry about the ornament breaking, just a small little treat bag. So I'm also sharing some free printable tags for you. Feel free to hop on over to the blog post and there'll be a link to download those. Those tags are great for just attaching to it. It gives a description on how to use it. And then I also attached those disposable tea bags, which is a good little addition. I just tied them to the top of the ornament along with the tag for the ornaments. So I love how these turned out. They were so fun to make. They were really easy. As you can see, my kids were helping me there. So this is a good one to involve the kids in. It's really easy to do. So once you mix up the ratio, right, you just put it in the ornaments or whatever you're giving it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sure to link all of the products that I used and then also give you the full measurements for all of the ingredients that I mentioned to make this batch of mulling spices for this homemade gift idea. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below. While you're here, subscribe to our channel and then watch this video next, and we will see you next time. Bye.